Do you sometimes feel that your English is correct, but it still doesn't sound natural? If you feel this way, you're not alone. Many English learners experience this, even after years of study. In this video, you'll learn 5 very common English mistakes, and more importantly, how to fix them easily. By the end, your English will sound clearer, more confident, and more natural. Welcome to Instant English Tips. Let's get started. The first mistake is using the word very too often. Many learners say things like very tired, very happy, or very cold. These sentences are correct, but native speakers usually choose stronger words instead. For example, instead of saying very tired, you can say exhausted. Instead of very happy, say excited or delighted. And instead of very cold, say freezing. Small changes like this can immediately make your English sound more natural and expressive. Another very common mistake is using the wrong preposition. Prepositions are small words, but they cause big problems for English learners. For example, many people say, discuss about the problem. In correct English, we say, discuss the problem. Another example is saying married with someone. The correct phrase is married to someone. If prepositions confuse you, that's completely normal. The best way to learn them is through listening, reading, and noticing how native speakers use them. The next mistake is translating directly from your native language into English. This often creates sentences that sound strange to native speakers. For example, some learners say, I have 25 years. In English, we say, I am 25 years old. Another common example is, I am agree with you. The correct sentence is, I agree with you. Try to learn full English phrases instead of translating word by word. This habit will help you speak more naturally and confidently. Another mistake many learners make is using very formal English in casual conversations. Formal English is not wrong, but in daily life it can sound unnatural. For example, saying, I would like to inform you that sounds too formal for most everyday situations. Instead, you can say something more natural, like, I just wanted to let you know, or I wanted to tell you. Knowing when to use formal or casual English helps you sound more relaxed and friendly. The final mistake is forgetting about natural sentence stress and rhythm. English is not only about vocabulary and grammar, it is also about how you say the words. Native speakers stress important words and say small words more quickly. For example, we say, I went to the store yesterday, with stress on important words like went and store. Listening carefully and repeating short sentences every day can greatly improve how natural your English sounds. These mistakes are very common, so don't feel discouraged. Making mistakes does not mean your English is bad. Every mistake is an opportunity to improve. If this video helped you, like it and share it with someone who is learning English. Subscribe to Instant English Tips for short, simple, and practical lessons that help you speak English with confidence. See you in the next video.